Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video today. Today's video is going to be a ways that you can use the Louis Vuitton key pouch, my favorite SLG ever. I love this little pouch, and I'm going to show you guys what ways you can use this. So if you're interested on how you can use this little baby, then just keep on watching. Well, before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Scotto. If you are new here, please subscribe. I like doing videos on luxury hauls, luxury unboxings, luxury everything. Let's just say that, luxury everything. So if you're in that kind of thing, then consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I would love it, and thank you for all those that are new here. I love you guys, and thank you for watching and supporting me. So yeah, let's get right into this video because I have a lot to talk about, and this is the video where I'm going to tell you guys how you could enter my giveaway. So that is not going to be until the end of the video, but I'm going to announce what the giveaway is. I already did on my Instagram for those who aren't following me on Instagram, but yeah, I have a giveaway that I'm doing and I'm super excited about it. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So this is the LV key pouch that I have. It is in the monogram canvas. This pouch comes in 3 different canvases: the monogram, the Damier Ben, and the Damier Azur. I do have a video of like a review on this, so I'm not going to give a review in this video because I have a whole video dedicated to it. So if you want to go check that out, please do. But yeah, this is the one that I have, and I'm super excited because I really love how versatile this piece is, and you can use it in so many different ways. So the first way that I am currently using, but I usually use it as, is a wallet. I currently have a $2 bill in here. I heard that it was good luck, so I just had one and I just put it in my wallet. So that is that. But the next thing that I'm pulling out is like a loyalty card, my favorite coffee shop, and then let me just, I don't want to show you my cards because, you know, 9 cards right here. I have 9, so you could fit quite a few of cards in here, and they fit perfectly like so, like that. And then I just have another loyalty card, so I'm putting that in there. And then I have the other loyalty card that I showed you, and then my $2 bill. But also what I do is put some cash. So right here, I'm gonna pull out my cash. This is just my cash folded up. This is kind of a pet peeve of mine, folding cash, but gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, I just have some cash and I just fold it and stick it in here. Another thing, if you do have coins or if you use coins, then you can also put them in here because the interior, let me just take everything out. Interior of it is all brown, so it doesn't show its dirtiness, and even if it does, you can just like wipe it down and it will get clean again. It fits in perfectly like so. Here's all my things in there. Here's my cash, my cards, and my $2 bill, and it just zips up perfectly and you're on your way. So I really love how you can use it as a wallet. So my second way of using this is as a super mini purse. So what you could put in here is, I have my driver's license, a gift card that I'm acting as it's if like my debit card, and also another gift card that I'm acting like if it's another credit card. And then I have some cash, so I'm gonna put all that in there. So that's like my money where I can use it. I'm also gonna put my chapstick. I can't go anywhere without my chapstick. I just always have to have it. And then I'm gonna put some perfume. This is my favorite Louis Vuitton perfume, the Coureur Button. I'm always gonna butcher this name, but it smells amazing, so I definitely recommend it. Putting that right in there. So this is what it looks like so far, and I have to carry a hair tie with me everywhere I go because I lose my hair ties and they break sometimes, so need that. And then the last thing is my favorite hand sanitizer wipe. And I'm just gonna fold this because that's the only way it'll fit in here, sadly, but putting that in there as well and closing it up like so, and there we have it, like that. And it fits perfectly. It's like a little mini wallet, and I really love using it in this way. Also, this D-ring is amazing because you can hook your keys on like this, and now you have your keys and your little wallet, and you're on your way to wherever you're going. Easy and simple. So I really like using it as a mini purse as well. A third way of using my Louis Vuitton key pouch is as a gym bag. So sometimes I don't use a gym bag because I'm just not doing things that I would need in my gym bag on that day, if that makes sense. So I just like bring something small, and I like to keep it with me while I'm at the gym, just so I don't have to put this in a locker. I don't know, I feel like I'm wasting a locker if I'm just putting this in there. So what I like to bring with me is, if you have a gym card, I have my phone as like my little gym card. It's on an app that I use, but if you do, you can definitely put it in here. It fits perfectly depending on how big your gym card is. They're usually like really small, the ones that I used to have, but you could put a wipe. This is my favorite wipe because you could use it in many different ways, and the lighting is changing on me, but this wipe is amazing. I've talked about them before. It's called the Urban Essentials wipes, and they come in so many different scents. I have the lavender one. I love lavender, but they're made with essential oils and they're all natural. So the only ingredients in here are water, lavender, essential oil, lactobacillus ferment, and palosorbent 20. So it's all natural ingredients, and you can use these on your face if you want to freshen up, or around your body if you're sweating and you like don't want to smell. So you can use this as hand sanitizer wipes. Folding it because that's the only way it will fit, but there we go. I'm putting that right in there. And the next thing that I'm going to put in there is a couple of hair ties because I lose them, like I said before. So the next things that I'm gonna put in here is my driver's license and some cash. I don't like to bring my debit card while I'm at the gym, only because, like, I don't know, I'm just paranoid of maybe this will get stolen, and if I have my debit card, it's literally all my money that I have. So I just like to put some cash just to, you know, safe than sorry. And then I have my driver's license. So this is what it's looking like so far. And then the last thing I'm gonna put is my perfume, just to like freshen up after the gym. You don't want to smell like sweat and all. And then again, I'm putting my keys right on this handy dandy D-ring on my Louis Vuitton key pouch. And like so, you have your keys and you have your little super mini gym bag that you're gonna need. And obviously, like, you can't fit a water bottle, so you bring a water bottle, but that's easy. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I really like this Louis Vuitton D-ring because I'm so impressed on how this held up. I've literally watched a video before I got this key pouch, and I was just looking up like 2-year reviews on it, updates, 5 years. Just like, I just like to know that my items are gonna last me a long time, even though this is not badly priced at all. But I am so impressed on how this held up. Like, I see no chipping or anything. Like, it definitely has scratches, but I mean, if you're really examining it, but if you're just looking at it normally, it looks perfect. And yeah, I'm just really impressed by the gold hardware on this. Third way of using this little baby. Okay, so my fourth way of using this little guy is as like a carry-all pouch. So what I used to do when I was usually carrying my bigger bags, I would bring this but put like random stuff in it, things that I would use and easy to grab, and everything was in one place. So I've just literally hooked this on either like the zipper part of the bag or like inside of the bag somewhere, or just literally throw this in my bag and set. But I really like how this is big enough where you can fit all your essentials pretty much. So my essentials include my chapstick, as always, my little perfume that I like to wear, my hair ties, what else? So I like to put my loyalty card if I'm going there, if I think I'm gonna go there that day, just to have it easily accessed. Also these like cleaning wipes for like my phone or my glasses, a little sanitizer wipe again. I like using wipes as sanitizers instead of like the bottle form, only because like I'm so paranoid if it's gonna spill in my bag or whatnot. So I like using this, and it like won't spill because it's in the pouch. But that is what everything looks like. I have my hand sanitizer wipe, my like technology wipe, my loyalty cards, my chapstick, my perfume, and my hair ties, and we're closing it up now. And there we have it. This is what it looks like. It is perfect. Everything that I need on a day-to-day basis is one place, and it's in my bag, so it's easy to find. And also, again, if you wanted to, you can hook your keys so it's easier to find and you'll always have it on you. Here we go. So you have all your things in one place. You have your car keys, so it's even easier to get access when you need it. So my last and final way that you can use this little guy is as a coin purse. So when I had my bigger bags and I used to pay with cash, I hate coins floating around in my purse. It's just, I don't like it. It gets dirty and it's just unnecessary. So I have literally a full hand of coins, as you guys can see, and I just put them right in there, and you can fit so much more. But I used to use this as a little coin purse. So I love how I said before that the interior is brown, so it won't show like the dirtiness of the coins. And after I use it as coins, or if I put cash in here, I just wipe it down just to sanitize it. And it's a great way to use these wipes because they're all natural and it won't damage because there's no chemicals or anything. So I like to wipe it down with one of these wipes, and it cleans it, but also smells really good because it's like lavender. Okay, so that is the end of the video, but don't go anywhere yet because I wanted to do this video to show all the ways that you can use this little guy, and I enjoyed it so much that I was so determined to get you guys one for this giveaway. So yes, that is the giveaway prize, is the Louis Vuitton monogram key pouch. Here is yours in this beautiful bag. I ordered this through my California essay on Rodeo Drive. She is the best. She is amazing. She's so nice, and she really helped me find this. I literally was stalking the website for this and I could not get my hands on it. I originally get the Louis Vuitton like a bandeau because it is versatile. You guys can use it in many different ways, but this is way better. And I'm so excited. So I'm gonna unbox it for you guys, just give it a little unboxing. It is brand new. I love brand new Louis Vuitton. So when you open it, it has this little card that you guys will get. And here is the dust bag, and here is your brand new Louis Vuitton key pouch in the monogram canvas. I am so happy and excited for you guys. So in here it just comes with the like SKU number and the cowhide, like the coated fabric little leather bit. But how cute is this? And I'm just so excited for you guys. So you may ask, how do I enter this giveaway to win this beautiful item? Good question. I have the answer. So what you're gonna do is, of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to like and comment on this video that you've entered by going to my Instagram, also following me on Instagram, and then liking the post on my Instagram for this giveaway, also tagging 2 friends of choice that will love or is into luxury, that will enjoy my channel but also my Instagram page, and that is how you enter this giveaway. The giveaway is going to be open for 3 weeks and 3 weeks only, and whoever the winner is, I'm going to contact you through DM on Instagram, and if they don't respond within 48 hours, then I will redraw a new winner and notify them through DMing them on Instagram. And yeah, that is how this giveaway is going to work. So until June 22nd, you guys can enter and do the whole giveaway process, and I wish you guys the best of luck. I'm so happy that I was able to get this item for you guys. You guys will love this piece. It is versatile. It is just amazing starter piece, especially if you're wanting to get into Louis Vuitton and you're like, I don't know where to start off with. So now you can win this, have it be your first Louis Vuitton item that you didn't pay for, that you got for a gift. So it's like a win-win situation, you know? Today's video, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment if you entered my giveaway. And I love you guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.